What you're seeing is not just a package, you're seeing dedication. Oh, last year. What? Is this a bug on me? What is this? This better not be no roach. When I tell you I was sitting there for over 2 hours waiting on the mailman, like over 2 hours. Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me. This is Dominique with Dainty Budgets, and I am coming at you all today with some mail. Like, I'm so excited. I was on Etsy and I bought like $70 worth of stuff. Oh! I know. I tried to hold out for as long as possible with not getting anything from Etsy and just making everything myself, but honestly, watching other people's stuff it's too much. And now I have an Etsy addiction, and I never had that before.
My back is against the wall. This is not a test. It's the real deal. Help me. Help me.
So thanks to everybody with those cute envelopes. Thanks. I have one more thing to worry about. Yeah, so I'm really excited to have some fun purchases. This is not everything that I purchased from Etsy. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because some stuff is still being made and hasn't even shipped yet. So this is a majority of everything, but not all of it. Let's get started. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is not Etsy related at all. I actually had a request from Lay's Budgets. She wanted to basically see my wallet and get a wallet tour. So I'm just gonna do this really quick for you guys. So this wallet is so cute. I was gonna get a Coach wallet at first, but it was just like, I think it was like $90. It was something like that. And I'm just like, okay, do I really need a $90 wallet? You know, so this wallet is actually from Amazon. And yeah, I think it was like 20 something. So this is just a portion of it. This is obviously, you know, where you put your ID, lots of card space, like, and lots of space, like, in there. Like, if you like have a lot of receipts and stuff, like, or even just cash on you, I think it's like really, really good. And then this is just where I keep all my cards. And then here, another pocket. And then this is where I keep my cash envelopes for my wallet. They all fit so nicely in here. And then this just has a little latch. And then this is where I keep my receipts, and also sometimes if I may get coins and I don't have time to like try to find my coin wallet, that's where I put my coins. So I really think this is like such a nice wallet, and I'm so picky. Has a wristlet. So I mean, for me, I'm so picky, like it took me forever to find this wallet, so I would definitely recommend. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the happy mail. Right, so I would be lying to you all if I said that I waited to open every single one of these. I did not. Like, I'm sorry, I did not. I waited. Okay, so I've had some of these for over a week now, and I just couldn't wait anymore. You know, I wasn't opening it, I wasn't looking at it, and today I was just like, I can't wait anymore. Like, I wanted to wait for the other stuff to come, but I am so impatient. And then I ended up looking at this one specifically because, you all, I have to tell you, the dedication. What you're seeing is not just a package, you're seeing dedication. Because long story short, I had placed this order with Lori, and everybody's links will be linked down below, but I placed this order with Lori, and I had initially placed one order, and then I noticed that my address was wrong. So I ended up canceling it. I didn't think that it went through because it didn't show that my payment went through. So I went back and then I did another order. And then once I looked, I saw that I had 2 orders, and she saw it as well. So she ended up canceling one. And me I'm so forgetful sometimes. I completely forgot, like, that's why I went back and did a new order, because of the address issue. And so when I get a notification today from Etsy, it's like, oh, your package is going to be delivered today. I'm like, yes, like I'm so excited. And I don't know, I just scrolled down, like something just made me scroll down, and then I seen that it was going to my old address. I was like, oh my gosh. So the reason why this was a big deal is because, long story short, my dad had sent me a package like maybe like a month ago, and he basically sent it without telling me, and he sent it to my wrong address. Like, I recently moved, like, I can't even say recently, but I moved like last year. What? Is this a bug on me? Oh my gosh. What is this? This better not be no roach. So, long story short, my dad ended up sending me that package, and he ended up sending it to the wrong address. And so in that package, it had a check that he was giving me, a whole bunch of mail from the IRS, like credit card mail, like, I mean, it's stuff that people could steal your identity with. And so I ended up going back to that old address to just try to see if they would give me my stuff back. I literally knocked on the door, nobody answered, so then I just left a note asking them to call me, you know, whenever they have a chance. I haven't heard back from them since, and that was like over a month ago. And I know somebody lives there because I called the apartment complex and they said that somebody stayed there, so I know they saw my note. I digress. So I knew that if this was to get delivered there, I was not going to ever see it again. So I left work early, and I basically went down to that old complex that I lived at, and literally, when I tell you, I was sitting there for over 2 hours waiting on the mailman, like over 2 hours. I got there at 5 and the mailman came at like 7 something. This is dedication, okay? Dedication. And the mailman wasn't having it either, because when I went up to him and I was like, hey, you know, I got a package delivered, blah, blah, blah. I was like, I can show you my ID. I told him my name. He got the package. He didn't even bother looking at my ID. He was like, it's been a long day. He's like, I don't even feel like looking at your ID. I was like, okay. So what you see is dedication. You don't just see a package, okay? So let's go ahead and unwrap. I already, like I said, looked at this, but it's so cute. So she gave me some freebies. Like, let me show you guys. So this was a freebie. This was a freebie. This, oh my gosh, so cute. And then of course her card. And then I have one more other freebie from her. It's actually in my wallet. Like, how cute. Oh my gosh. Like, you guys can't really see, but it's like kind of pink. I wish you guys could see it better, but I look like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. So these were all freebies. And she also gave me one sticker right here. I already put it on there. So adorable. But yeah, I got a bank envelope. I got a self-care. I got a 3 to 6 months. And then I got a moving. So these are all so cute. So I'm just gonna put these to the side for now. And then this is another one that I got. I think his name is Andy on Etsy. I'm so obsessed. Like even this is so cute. And like, I got a whole bunch of these. Like, I guess they just cut them up. But I just think like the little thing, it's the little thing. The amount of time that I know everybody takes to like make all of this like is amazing. Like, cause when I first made my wallets, I was like taking so long, and I'm like, I don't know how people on Etsy do it. So yeah. So, oh my gosh, how adorable. And And here are some stickers. But yeah, so Andy Fiore. And then some stickers. All right. So cute. Like, oh my gosh. So it's a rent envelope. Car. Ministry. Like, come on, guys. Come on. Business. Fun. Oh my gosh. Everything I got was so cute. So, I will show you guys me also replacing my old envelopes with these. Now, please keep in mind that some envelopes are gonna be my old ones because I'm still waiting for the others. But yeah, now this is the only one I didn't open yet. Oh my gosh, this is sick. This is the only one that I didn't open yet. So this is gonna be like a live in-person reaction. Cause I was like, you know what? Let me just film it because I'm like wanting to replace my wallets right now. It says, hello love, thank you so much for purchasing my listing. I hope you like your envelopes. To celebrate Halloween, I added you a freebie. I hope you like it. All right, so I did get a replacement, $1,000 placeholder, which I'm so excited because I need this. Like, I really need it. All right, so this is my emergency envelope. Taxes. And gifts. I just think the font is so cute. All right, and last but not least is I honestly cannot remember her name. Let me see. Pretty Prez, yeah. So these are so cute. My husband was like, these are so plain. I'm like, yeah, I know. I like them that way. So yeah, miscellaneous, rollover, and car maintenance. So cute. So now what I'll do is I'll replace my envelopes with the ones that I did receive. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know, part of me feels like really attached to these envelopes though because I made them and they were like my first. So I feel a little bad buying something else that's out with the old, in with the new. Ministry. Business. Fun. And then bank, I'm just gonna keep this one just in case the money is like too much for this one. I'll keep self-care in this one as well. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Like, just look at it. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, so this one is my sinking funds envelope. So car maintenance. You know what, I'm just gonna add all of them because I think all of them are in here. Yeah, car maintenance, I'm just gonna do all of them right now. Just in one because I just don't want it to like be one here, one there. I mean, I know it already kind of can bother people that they're different envelopes and not all the same. So as long as they're in line with each other, that's kind of all I care about. And then miscellaneous. Roll over. Now with these envelopes, these type of envelopes, I feel like I will have to condense my money sooner than I would have to condense one of the zip up ones, just because it seems like they get fuller quicker. Let me just close it to see how it looks. Adorable, adorable. All right, and then because moving is a sinking fund and 3 to 6 months is a sinking fund, I'm just gonna put it in here. I should probably put it in the back, right? So these envelopes don't exactly, these binders don't exactly look the same. All right, and this is my debt envelope. So out taxes. Emergency. All right, and then gifts. Gifts doesn't currently have its own envelope, so I just have to take it out of my fun envelope where I've been keeping it. Which I think it's like, I'm just gonna say $40 for fun, because I'm not too sure. And I may end up switching things around off camera because honestly right now I'm not happy with how everything looks, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all how I ended up organizing everything. All right, so I've zoomed in for you guys so you guys can see exactly how I organized all the envelopes. So this is technically my sinking fund category. So we have, I put the 3 to 6 months and moving in here. And then I have car maintenance, miscellaneous, rollover, my emergency fund, and gifts. And funny enough, I actually, I picked the wrong color. I didn't want rainbow, but I was buying so many things at once that I didn't even realize that I had picked rainbow. So honestly, I already know I'm probably gonna end up buying something else that matches the aesthetic that I'm going for, but I mean, it's okay for now. And then for this envelope, I actually ended up putting my regular spending envelopes in here just because I felt like it looked better. So you have rent, car, ministry, business, fun, and then these are just all my older envelopes. And then I have bank and self-care, so I just put these in the back. And I just think this is so cute. Like, this is my favorite binder, like not only because of the envelopes, but like just the sequins and everything. I just think it looks so good with everything that I got. I'm like really happy with everything that I got. I think that all these ladies definitely work so hard on their Etsy shops, and it's definitely admirable. Sorry, y'all can see my sink. It's definitely something that I admire about them because I know it's not easy. So yeah, everything that I got will be linked in my bio. I hope that you all enjoyed. Bye.